I'm Dr. J. You're going to be hearing from Mr. Topstep in a second. Mr. Topstep is called Topstep because the very top ring of that pit, that's where the biggest traders stand. You want to know what they're doing, you got to watch Mr. Topstep.
This is Danny Riley from the CME and the S&P 500. It's Monday morning, the first trading day of November. A lot to talk about. The market started out, we traded 1036 on the open. We dropped down to 34. We shot up to 48.5 right after the ISM number came out better than expected. You know, here's the deal. The markets were bad on Wednesday, good on Thursday, bad on Friday, good again on Monday. It's kind of an up a day, down a day scenario. The big deal thing is exactly what we said last Friday. Statistically, the last few days of October and the first few days of November are seasonally very strong. They opened a little higher, they stutter stepped a little bit, then shot higher. But here's the thing, people couldn't wait for October to end. It ended out on a very bad note, and we've had 8 or 9 straight months of being higher. But here's the thing, as bad as October closed out, November and December are a little bit different. We've got something that we're looking at today, and it's called Big Tips. Big Tips is they do historical data and matching data for the S&P and Dow. According to the information that they've given us, November over the last 100 years has a gain of 0.56%. And the 50-year gain is 1.21%, and the 20-year, over the last 20 years, the gain is 1.79%. These are big stats, and they're going to be, I don't think you can overlook it. The other part of it is not just the November stats, but the 2 months combined, November and December, over the last 20 years, have had a 4.2% gain. These are really going to be hard to overlook. Despite everybody kind of being negative the stock market right now, after we sold off, we don't think it's just going to be a straight line down. It's going to be more of a back and fill pattern, up and down, the way we've done over the last couple of days. Now, where do we go from here? We don't know. We really don't. The market is sold off from 49.5 today. Just now, we just traded down to 1040 even. It's really quiet here. You know, the big gap up kind of took a little bit of the buying power out of what we're seeing here. Crude oil continues higher. Dollar's down about 76 points, about 12 off its low. Everything 26 off its low. Everything's pretty quiet here. But we do think the way this is going to end up, the markets are going to go back up later in the day, and we are sticking with the statistical data for tomorrow that says tomorrow should be an up day. That's all we've got from here from the S&P 500 today. We'll see you tomorrow.